Before buying flat pedal shoes for mountain biking, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. It's not just about the style or even the price. It's how well they actually grip the pedals when you hit those tough trails.
Product number 1, Sandugo mountain bike shoes. Let's kick things off with the Sandugo mountain bike shoes. Priced at $74.99, these shoes caught my attention with their unique speed lay style system. If you want a shoe that's easy to put on and delivers solid grip, this is worth a serious look. So here's what makes these shoes special. The rubber compound gives you superior grip and durability, which is essential when you're climbing or descending. The tread pattern maximizes pedal contact, ensuring you won't lose your footing. Plus, with deltoid lugs improving abrasion resistance, you know these shoes are built to last. The ventilated mesh windows and breathable toe area keep your feet cool and dry, while the ergonomic design means you can ride comfortably for hours. There's even a lace pocket to keep things tidy. Now, I'll be real with you. One downside some users mention is that the shoes can be a bit stiff at first. But honestly, that stiffness fades after a few rides, and I've found the comfort improves significantly once they're broken in. This is perfect for you if you're serious about mountain biking and need a shoe that performs well under pressure. Skip this one if you prefer something more casual for just riding around town. For the price, you get fantastic value with these shoes. Now, if that stiffness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Tommaso men's mountain bike shoes. We have the Tommaso men's mountain bike shoes, which come in at a budget-friendly $59.99. These shoes grabbed my attention with their timeless style and comfort. If you want a blend of performance and casual wear, this is definitely worth checking out. Here's why these shoes stand out. They're designed with real suede leather for a classic look, and the extra padding ensures comfort whether you're hitting the trails or grabbing a drink afterward. What's super handy is that they're made to fit snugly for optimal performance, but you can always size up for a more relaxed fit. The STK grip rubber compound soles are a game changer, providing excellent traction to keep your feet firmly planted on the pedals. Plus, they're built to last with tough materials that can handle whatever you throw at them. However, some users have mentioned that they're not as rigid as other mountain bike shoes, which can be a deal breaker if you're looking for maximum performance on tough terrain. But if you want versatility and comfort, this shouldn't matter much. This is perfect for you if you ride casually but want a shoe that can still perform on trails. Skip this if you're looking for something super high performance. Overall, you get solid quality for the price here. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those intense rides.
Product number 3, Sandugo Black Gum Flat Shoes. Let's look at the Sandugo Black Gum Flat Shoes, also priced at $74.99. These shoes caught my attention with their rugged design and speedlay style system. If you want a shoe that combines function with durability, this is worth a serious look. What makes these shoes noteworthy is their grip and walkability. The rubber compound provides excellent traction, while the tread pattern is specifically designed to maximize contact with the pedals. This means you'll feel more secure on tricky descents. Additionally, the angled toe heel lugs offer great traction for when you need to hike a bit. The breathable materials keep your feet cool during long rides, and the ergonomic design adds to the comfort for extended use. Now, here's the downside. Some users felt that the sizing runs a bit small, which could be frustrating if you're ordering online. But once you get the right fit, you'll appreciate how they feel on the bike. This is perfect for you if you prioritize grip and comfort in your ride. Skip these if you have wider feet and need more room. For under $75, these shoes deliver great performance. Now, if you're looking for that perfect fit adjustment, the next shoe might just have what you need.
Product number 4, Giro Men's Tracker Fastlace. We have the Giro Men's Tracker Fastlace, priced at $119.95. These shoes impressed me with their high-friction fastlace closure. If you want a shoe that adapts easily to your fit while providing excellent grip, this one's worth a look. Here's why these shoes work for you. The breathable mesh combined with thermobonded PU makes them lightweight yet durable. The high-traction rubber outsole is designed for confident footing, so you won't slip during those intense rides. The Fastlace system is a standout feature, allowing you to adjust the fit quickly and securely, which is crucial when you're out on the trails. Plus, the molded footbed offers medium arch support that enhances comfort. However, some users noted that the price might be a concern for those on a tight budget.
But honestly, the quality and performance you get justify that cost, especially if you're serious about your mountain biking. This is perfect for you if you want a shoe that fits securely and handles diverse terrains. Skip these if you're looking for something cheaper. Overall, the investment here is worth every penny. All right, we're on the last stretch. The final shoe has some unique features that might catch your interest.
Product number 5, Giro Men's Latch. At $89.91, these shoes stood out to me for their comfortable feel and durability. If you want something that balances performance with comfort, this one is worth considering. The Latch shoes are designed for fast and rowdy trails, featuring a water-resistant and breathable design. The rubber-reinforced toe cap adds durability, ensuring these shoes can take a beating. They also have a molded 3D footbed with medium arch support, which I found super comfy for long rides. The full-length molded tack rubber outsole offers great traction, so you can pedal confidently, no matter the conditions. Now, a downside is that the water-resistant feature isn't completely waterproof, which can be an issue if you ride in heavy rain. But for most conditions, it does a pretty good job. This is perfect for you if you want a durable shoe for aggressive riding. Skip these if you often ride in wet conditions. For just under $90, you're getting reliable performance here.
We've covered the Sandugo mountain bike shoes for grip and durability, the Tommaso men's shoes for style and comfort, the other Sandugo model for walkability, the Giro tracker for fit adjustment, and the Giro Latch for overall comfort. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to what fits your biking needs best.